Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave and click the little bell because I do pick a card readings on my channel every single Friday, and then in the middle of the week I'll throw in a pick a card reading too sometimes. So today's question is, how do I raise my vibration? So what you're gonna do is pick a card number 1, 2, 3, or 4, whichever one you're drawn to, whichever one catches your attention. Go ahead and pick that card and then we'll start the reading. But before we do, I wanted to show you guys a few of my new pieces in my Etsy shop. All these bracelets and necklaces were handmade by me with real crystals, and a lot of them have been charged under the new moon, and the energy of the new moon is to bring in and attract and draw in whatever you want to manifest. And so I wanted to show you guys, and also I wanted to show you guys what it looks like on my hands too. So I also have this rose quartz and hematite bracelet with the Hamsa hand amulet, and then I have one here that has a Buddha head, and this is for calmness and peace. And then we have a bunch of different kinds of crystals, and they all correspond with like the mind and stuff. You guys can head over to my shop and check it out over there. Also, if you guys want to book a reading with me, a more detailed reading, you guys can head over to my shop. For everybody that picked card number 1, we're going to go ahead and read your cards first. So the question is, how do you raise your vibration? So you got surrender your desire to control people. Being over controlling can sabotage relationships. To more effectively achieve your goals, back off, regroup, and give the situation some breathing room. And then you got transparency, honest, authentic, genuine, and present. So how would you raise your vibration? I feel like the reason your vibration might be low is because you're focusing way too much on other people and then like becoming something else to please those people. So you're so heavily focused on that you're not being your true self, and this is lowering your vibration. So what you need to do is get more in touch with your own spirit and your own mind and give yourself more of the things that you love. Another thing that you can do to raise your vibration is to just be honest and really authentic, like really embrace who you really are, who you truly are, and not what others expect you to be, or what you feel like you need to be so that somebody else could be happy. So this is a major thing that is kind of lowering your vibration right now. So that was your reading. I hope that resonated and gave you some clarity. If you guys want to go more in depth with me, you can book a reading with me on my shop, and I'll leave that link down below. But if you want to know like some crystals that would be really good for you to kind of tune into your own mind and give yourself more attention and care, the rose quartz one would be really, really good. You can either get a bracelet or you can get a rose quartz crystal and just keep that with you all the time. So I just wanted to throw that little tip in there. But for everybody that picked card number 2, let's go ahead and read what your cards are saying. So how do you raise your vibration? So these two cards, like automatically they go hand in hand. So you got surrender to non-action, and then it says, now is the time to be still and not act. Simply breathe and focus on your own power. Let others come to you. And then you got the mirror. So this card is, the message that comes through is know thyself. Self-examination and seeing who you really are. The things that are keeping you in a low vibration right now are you not being able to like express yourself the way that you want to. You're very, very busy. Like either your mind is really busy, or you're just too busy with work or kids, or something in your life is keeping you really, really busy, and you're not getting the time to focus on yourself. And you almost feel like you're losing yourself. Like you're just, yeah, that feeling of feeling lost and confused, and you just feel like you're losing yourself, and it's creating a low vibration. So how can you lift your vibration? So you need to spend a lot of time with yourself and your own mind, and you need to do it in a way where you're really, really treating yourself. Your spirit and your body really needs good treatment right now so that you can start to become friends with yourself again. So a good way that I would love to do that is to take a bath or to book a massage somewhere, or just be with yourself and doing something that relaxes you. And you know, as soon as you get relaxed and you're starting to enjoy your own self and your own time, your vibration starts to get higher. So that's what your cause of low vibration is that you're just it's too busy for you. You have too many things on your plate and you're not able to focus on yourself. So start to focus on yourself. Do things that you love, like treat yourself to things that you love, and watch your vibration raise. And that's your reading. If you want like a crystal that would raise your vibration, I would really go with the labradorite. It cleanses all your chakras, it cleanses your energy, and it cleanses your aura. And then also it just adds a lot of synchronicity and magic into your life. Okay, so for everybody that picked card number 3, we're going to go ahead and read what your card says. How can you raise your vibration? So the 2 cards that you got, first of all, the colors are the exact same. So that's a strong message of you need to surround yourself with a little bit more yellow. I feel like either yellow crystals or yellow colors. You need warmth in your life. So that's something that has been causing a low vibration, is because either you feel cold towards someone or you feel cold towards certain people, and that's affecting your vibration. So you need an energy field adjustment, which is an aura cleansing. So how would you cleanse your aura? So what I like to do is burn sage or burn Palo Santo. You could burn incense. And something else that I like to do is wear crystals that cleanse the aura, and a really, really good one. And something that I wear all the time is the labradorite. You can either get some from my jewelry or buy yourself like a labradorite crystal and keep that with you. So you definitely need to like cleanse your energy to raise your vibration. And then surrender to play. Take a break from overthinking a goal. Do something fun. Play is a time of recreation and rejuvenation. So something else that you could do to raise your vibration is to play, like do something fun. You need to do something where you lose track of time, and you need to do something where you feel alive again. And so that's something that you really need, and it's definitely going to raise your vibration, and you'll feel it, you'll sense it. So that's your reading. If you guys want to go more in depth with me, you guys can book a reading with me on my shop, and I'll leave the link down below. But for everybody that picked card number 4, let's go ahead and do your reading next. So what can raise your vibration? How can you raise your vibration? So surrender to the beauty of the natural world. Take a relaxing break and spend time in nature. Replenish yourself by feeling the beauty and the ecstasy there. So something that's really going to raise your vibration is being outdoors, being around nature, specifically trees, water, like things of that kind, where it's really going to calm you, cleanse you, and also help you to raise your vibration again. And another message is adrift, letting go and allowing a higher force to take charge for a time. Something that may be lowering your vibration is for the fact that you just want everything to be done, you want everything to be taken care of, you want this person to be taken care of, you have to do this and that, make sure everything is done a certain way. Like all these things are on your plate, and you just can't let go. Like it's hard for you to let somebody else take the wheel, and so that's something that lowers your vibration, because you're just constantly on the go. So that's why you got 2 cards that really go hand in hand. So it's really time for you to take a break, and you have to do it, because otherwise you're going to keep your vibration low. When you're in a low vibration, it's harder for you to attract the things that you need. So it's really important for you to take a break and take yourself somewhere in nature, calming and relaxing, just for yourself, just to take a break and treat yourself and just raise your vibration. So I hope that helped, and if you guys want to book a more in-depth reading with me, you can do that on my store, and I'll leave that link down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Check out my store if you guys are interested and if you guys like some of the jewelry that you see. But if not, that's fine, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!